Hi, I'm Jared Dillingham. Today I want to show you around a day club here on Bali. It is home to a lot of people who are there taking their influencer photos, but if you're not into that, there's plenty of other things to check out.
Cretya is one of the most unique day clubs I've ever been to, and I admit I was not excited to go, but since a lot of people ask about it, we decided to check it out. And we found it really does have something for everyone. We went right after the doors opened at 8 in the morning, so the crowd was small. Cretya bills itself as a private, luxurious restaurant and club which offers both an exciting yet tranquil escape. It's up to you if you think it delivers, but I'll show you around. It is a massive complex spread out over several floors with restaurants and bars on each. The whole place has an open-air concept overlooking the beautiful rice terraces below. The pool is over the top. It really is several pools with infinity edges and waterfalls. As the day goes on, you'll have crowds of people here in the water. Drones are allowed, as are children. For a luxury day club, Cretya really is affordable. Tickets are only $3 each, and they can be reserved ahead of time. Once inside, you can rent day beds and cabanas, which come with higher price tags. Sitting on these nets requires a minimum purchase of about $125 US. Meals and cocktails are just about $10 each. The swings and nests are also popular with tourists. As for the swings, expect a crowd watching you. It'll cost another $12 to ride the swings, and if you're looking to play the part and wear a dress, they rent those too for about $10. I mentioned Cretya does promise some peace and quiet, and you can find it here on the paths running through the rice terraces or in the coffee lounges off to the side. Everything is covered, so a visit makes sense even if it rains. The map of this place almost reminds me of a Disney World map, which is appropriate since Cretya is a kind of Balinese theme park. And while it bills itself as a club, Cretya closes early, around 9 o'clock each night.